Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss meter bridge or slide wire bridge. Meter bridge or slide wire bridge is the modified version or modified form of Wheatstone bridge. Just like this is the Wheatstone bridge. And this Wheatstone bridge is used to find the value of unknown resistance. Say this is R4, this is R3, R4, and arrangement of four resistances in which one of value of one of the resistances is unknown. We find it and we have no, it works on the principle R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4. Now in this arrangement, इस arrangement में क्या होता है कि इस ब्रिज को हमें बैलेंस करना पड़ता है. बैलेंस करने का मतलब ये होता है कि द करंट शुड नॉट फ्लो थ्रू दिस गैल्वेनोमीटर फ्रॉम बी टू सी. नो करंट शुड फ्लो. इसके लिए हमें इनका वैल्यू जो होता है R1, R2, R3 ये प्रॉपर वैल्यूज की रेजिस्टेंसेस हमें यहां इस अरेंजमेंट में फिक्स करनी है, सो दैट द करंट विल नॉट फ्लो थ्रू दिस गैल्वेनोमीटर. एंड when no current flows, the galvanometer shows no deflection, we say the bridge is balanced. So balanced bridge के लिए हमें प्रिंसिपल ये है कि then we find R1 by R2, this resistance by this resistance is equal to resistance third by resistance 4. So R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4. मगर कंडीशन ये है the bridge should be balanced. Balanced bridge तभी होता है when no current flows through this galvanometer. और करंट तब नहीं फ्लो होगी जब इनका वैल्यू प्रॉपरली हमें एडजस्ट करना है. तो हमें डिफरेंट रजिस्टर्स लानी है, उनको फिक्स करके चेंज करना है कि जब तक हमें ये ब्रिज बैलेंस होगा. तो इसके लिए हमें इसको आसान करने के लिए फॉर कन्वीनियंस टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ अननोन रजिस्टर इन द लेबोरेटरी, दिस मेथड हैज बीन this is the modified version of this Wheatstone bridge. So slide wire bridge is modified version of Wheatstone bridge. It provides us a convenient method. So यहाँ हमें आसानी होनी चाहिए because यहाँ हमें resistance को change करना है ताकि ये bridge balanced हो जाए. So this gives us a convenient आसान method for measuring the low resistances in the laboratory. So this is meter bridge or we call it as slide wire bridge. It is nothing, it is only Wheatstone bridge but in the modified form. So it works on the same principle, only it is modified. क्या है इसमें, क्या modification हुई है? Let me try to explain. पहले इसकी हम construction करेंगे. So construction at the first of all, a wire of constant or manganese, a resistance wire, 1 meter length, stretched between A and C. So A and C are 2 pointers. इसमें हम एक वायर जो यहाँ AC हमने लिखा है. So AC is a wire of 1 meter length stretched between these, fixed on a wooden board. This is a wooden board. इसमें फिक्स किया होगा और यहाँ thick copper strips है जिसके साथ ये अटैच किया हुआ है. So here are the thick copper strips so that they show negligible resistance. So यहाँ थिक कॉपर स्ट्रिप्स हैं, उनके साथ एक रेजिस्टेंस वायर है जिसकी लेंथ 1 मीटर है. दैट इज फिक्स्ड बिटवीन A and C on the wooden board. Parallel to this wire is fixed a meter rod, a meter scale which is showing us the reading. We can read it. So meter rod एक पैरेलल इसके साथ फिक्स हुआ है और इसके ऊपर 2 गैप्स हैं, जैसे ये गैप और ये गैप है. इन दो गैप्स में हम एडजस्ट करते हैं टू रेजिस्टर्स वन द two resistors, let's see as R and X. Among these two, the value of one of the resistances is unknown. Say X. So दो गैप्स हैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये कॉपर स्ट्रिप के साथ है, इसके बीच में दो गैप्स हैं, तो ये दो गैप्स फिक्स की हुई हैं। इन दो गैप्स में हम दो रेजिस्टेंस फिक्स करते हैं और सेंटर में एक पॉइंट डी से हम एक तार लेते हैं और एक वायर through the galvanometer. A galvanometer is connected to point D and the other end of the galvanometer is connected to a jockey, J. J is a jockey. The battery is connected in such a way that the positive terminal is connected to A and the negative terminal is connected to point C of this wire through a key. I named it as K. So K is a key. Now this is construction. It consists of a 1 meter long wire of tungsten or manganese. There are two fixed on a wooden board, two gaps here, wire, two resistances. One value of one is known and the other is unknown. They are fixed here. The battery is connected at A and C. The middle point of this gap is fixed through the galvanometer and connected to a jockey J. Now this is the construction. Now working. How does it work? Working is we have to find the value of the unknown resistance, say X. तो क्या करते हैं हम? Since it works on the principle of Wheatstone bridge, so key K is pressed. When key is pressed, current starts flowing. When current flows, this jockey is slided over this wire. This is because it is called slide wire bridge. This jockey is slided over wire, and a meter bridge because the length of this wire is 1 meter, so it is called a meter bridge. Now let that be aside. तो jockey को हम slide करते हैं. A point reaches here when the galvanometer shows no deflection. When galvanometer shows no deflection, we know that let the point be B. So at B, galvanometer shows no deflection. When key K is pressed, current starts flowing, and the point here D, which is connected through galvanometer to the jockey is slided over this wire, a 1 meter long wire of tungsten or manganese, and at certain point there is a flow of current either from this side or from that side. So at some point when we slide it on this wire, at some point this the current does not flow through this galvanometer, so means the bridge is balanced now. This galvanometer shows no deflection. We know that the point, let this is equal to L. Let the length, we name it as P. P is equal to L. P is the resistance, let this is L, and the other side is now, since यहाँ से यहाँ तक this is 100 centimeters, when this is L centimeters, and this side will be equal to 100 minus L. 100 minus L. Now this is R, this is X, this is L, and 100 minus L. Now this is the total reading. Now the bridge is balanced. अब ये सेम बन गया व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज. यहाँ एक रेजिस्टेंस, बीच में से गैल्वेनोमीटर, दिस इज one resistance and this is another resistance. Now according to Wheatstone bridge, here let me name this distance as P, this resistance as P, and this resistance of this length, that Q, and resistance of this length as P, and this is R and X. So according to Wheatstone bridge, P by Q is equal to R by X. जैसे हमने R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4. Similarly, P by Q is equal to R by X. So according to Wheatstone bridge, P by Q is equal to R by X. R is a known resistance. This is known resistance. We adjust the value through this resistance box, or we can connect a known resistance whose value is known to us, and X is the unknown resistance. Now what about this? This wire is of constant, or we may say uniform area of cross section. So what is the length? What is the P now equal to? P is equal to L, means length, into resistance per unit length. Resistance per unit length. That means R, where R is the resistance per unit length. So LR by this Q will be equal to 100 minus L into R. 100 minus L into R. So LR divided by 100 minus L into R, that is equal to R by X. L into R divided by 100 minus L into R is going, R and R gets cancelled. So we have to find the X. So which implies X, the unknown resistance, will be equal to R into 100 minus L divided by L. So this is the value of unknown resistance which we obtained from meter bridge, where R is the resistance of this resistor which we know through resistance, and L is the length from A to B. So L is equal to AB. AB and 100 minus L is equal to BC. So L we know, we मीटर स्केल लगी हुई है, हमने जॉकी को नोट किया, हमने ये पॉइंट नोट किया. Also L is equal to AB and 100 minus L is equal to BC. So we can find the value of X, that is the unknown resistance, using meter bridge or slide wire bridge. Thanks.